Dear students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss numericals related to this chapter, forces and laws of motion. All these numericals are very simple. Simply you have to understand the statements. First of all, this example, first question number 1. A motorcycle is moving with a velocity of 90 km per hour and it takes 5 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motorcycle if its mass along with the rider is 200 kilograms. So, initial velocity.
Rakesh, Anju, would you please come?
Km per hour. So 90 km per hour, what is this? This is the initial velocity. So first of all, try to understand the difference between initial velocity and final velocity. It is given over there, a bike is moving. The speed of the bike is 90 km per hour and it stops after 5 seconds. Here the speed is 90 km per hour and it stops after 5 seconds when brakes are applied. So this is the initial velocity. When it stops after 5 seconds, that is a final velocity. So initial velocity u, it is equal to 90 km per hour. Change this 9 km per hour into meter per second as a unit. There are ready reckoners. Kilometer per hour. If you want to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, then multiply kilometer per hour by 5 upon 18. If you want to change meter per second to kilometer per hour, then multiply meter per second by 18 by 5. So here we want to change kilometer per hour into meter per second. So multiply 90 by 5 upon 18. So 25 meter per second. So initial velocity of the bike is 25 meter per second and it stops after 5 seconds. If it stops, then final velocity V, because it stops after 5 seconds, so final velocity is 0. And the total mass, it is given 200 kilograms. अब आपने सम को करने से पहले उसका उल्टा सोचना है. आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? कैलकुलेट द फोर्स. आपको फोर्स फाइंड आउट करनी है एंड यू नो फोर्स इज इक्वल टू ma. फोर्स किसके इक्वल है? ma. मास इज गिवन बट एक्सेलरेशन इज नॉट गिवन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट एक्सेलरेशन. इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड आउट एक्सेलरेशन, then by putting the value of acceleration here, then you can calculate the value of force. So acceleration, you know, in first chapter, v minus u upon t. Acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Here final velocity is 0 minus initial plus velocity, just find out 25 and time is 5. It is equal to minus 5 meter per second scale acceleration. Actually this is a negative acceleration, this is a retardation. Now find out force. Therefore force is equal to ma. F is equal to mass is 200 kilograms into acceleration is minus 5. So F is equal to minus 1000 Newton. Negative sign shows that this is an opposing force. Now come to question number 2. Calculate the force required to impart a car a velocity of 30 meters per second in 10 seconds. The mass of the car is 1500 kilograms. This is also just like question number 1, but there is a little bit difference between the velocities. For example, mass of car, this is given, mass of car is equal to 1500 kilograms. A velocity of 30 meters per second in 10 seconds. Velocity after 10 seconds, velocity after 5 seconds, velocity after 2 seconds. What is that? That is the final velocity. So this is the final velocity 30 meters per second is given because this is a velocity after 10 seconds जो हमें चाहिए. So final velocity (30 meters per second) and initial velocity is u0 and time is given t, which is equal to 10 seconds. Calculate the force. Similarly, F is equal to ma. Again, mass is given, then acceleration is required. So first of all, find out acceleration, the value of acceleration. So A is equal to V minus U upon T. The value of V is 30 meters per second. Initial velocity, that is equal to 0, and time is 10. So after calculation, this is equal to 3 meters per second square. So acceleration is 3 meters per second square. Now we want to find out force, and you know force is equal to ma, and both these two things are known. Mass is 1500 kilograms and acceleration just find out 3. So force is equal to Newton. It means 4500 Newton force is required to impart a car a velocity of 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड in 10 seconds. अगर आपको कार की वेलोसिटी कितनी चाहिए 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड चाहिए after 10 seconds, then force which is required, which is needed, that is 4500 Newton. Thank you students.